What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on a rear disc and caliper guard on this 2024 KX450. The TM Designworks rear rotor and caliper guard consists of our rear disc protector, brake caliper guard, and one-piece billet aluminum mounting plate. Suitable for all types of riding, keeping rocks and debris out of your rear caliper while protecting your rotor from hard impacts and roost. Our proven return memory system absorbs impacts and springs back into position. The disc cover and caliper guards can be replaced individually if needed. Now this bike is protected and ready to ride. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.